Hello friends, myself Dr. Merin George and I welcome you all back to my channel Healing Health. Today I would like to discuss about a disease which is often described as a silent killer, hypertension or high blood pressure. Hypertension, also known as the high or raised blood pressure, is a condition in which the blood vessels have persistently raised pressure. The blood pressure is created by the force of blood pushing against the walls of the blood vessels as it is pumped by the heart. The higher the pressure, the harder the heart has to pump. It is a serious medical condition and can increase the risk of heart, brain, kidney, and other diseases. High blood pressure often has no symptoms, but if it is extremely high, there may be certain symptoms like severe headache, nosebleed, chest pain, fatigue, or confusion. Now let's focus on the home remedies which will help you to reduce your blood pressure. Increasing potassium through diet is recommended for people with high blood pressure. This is because potassium reduces the effect of sodium. The more you eat potassium for high blood pressure, the more sodium you lose through the urine. Potassium also eases tension in the blood vessels, thus further helping you to lower the blood pressure. 4.7 grams is the daily recommended intake. Fruits, vegetables, low-fat dairy, fish, banana, avocado, apricots, green leafy vegetables, potatoes, mushrooms, raisins, dates are all examples of food which are rich in potassium. But please note that excessive intake of potassium can be harmful for people with kidney disorders. Magnesium helps to regulate hundreds of body systems, including blood pressure, blood sugar, muscle, and nerve function. We need magnesium to help blood vessels relax and for energy production. Green leafy vegetables, nuts, seeds like almonds, cashew nuts, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, etc. are good source of magnesium. Ice massage to the head, neck, and spine. Massage the head, spine, and neck with ice for about 1 minute, after which you give a gap for 1 minute. Continue massaging for a minute, gap for a minute, and then again massage and then give a gap. Neutral spinal bath or neutral spinal spray. 15 minutes of both neutral spinal bath and spray is effective in reducing the heart rate. Neutral spinal spray helps to reduce the systolic blood pressure and neutral spinal bath helps in reducing the diastolic blood pressure. Warm foot bath and hypertension. Researchers shows that foot soak therapy with warm water 3 times a day is effective in decreasing the blood pressure in patients with stage 1 hypertension. Yogasanas for reducing blood pressure. Bhujangasana. Lie down on your abdomen. Slowly inhale and raise your chin, chest up to your abdominal region. Sedubandhasana. Lie down flat on your back. Bend at your knees. Inhale and raise your hip region. Shavasana. Lie down on your back, legs apart, hands apart, head in any comfortable posture and relax. Shashangasana. Sit on your heels, stretch your hands in front and relax. Breathing exercises and pranayamas. Hand stretch breathing. Interlock your fingers. Inhale and stretch both the hands in front of your chest. Exhale and bring it back to the chest region. Now inhale and raise your hands up to your forehead level. Exhale and bring it back to the chest region. Inhale and raise your hands above the head. Exhale and back to the chest region. Hand in and out breathing. Inhale and stretch both the hands by the sides. Exhale and bring it back to the center. Chandrabedhana Pranayama. Inhale through the left nostril, close the left nostril and exhale out through the right nostril. Once again, inhale through the left nostril, close the left nostril and exhale out through the right nostril. Sit straight, eyes closed, spine erect. Concentrate on your breathing pattern. Synchronize your breathing along with the movements of the abdomen. As you inhale, your abdomen bulges out. As you exhale, your abdomen sinks in. Concentrate on the movement. Slowly bring the palms together. Rub the palms. Keep it on the eyes. Feel the warmth and slowly open your eyes by looking at the palms with a sweet smile on your face. Thank you. So beat the heart disease and feel the healthy beat. Stay happy, stay healthy.